Unlock the power of Webflow templates and transform your online presence with stunning custom designs. No advanced coding needed. First, let's dive into selecting the perfect template on the Webflow homepage. Navigate to Templates in the top menu here. You'll find a vast library categorized by industry and style. Browse through the previews, paying attention to the layout, features, and overall aesthetic that best suits your project's needs. Once you've found a template you love, click View Project to explore it further. You can navigate through the live demo to get a real feel for its functionality. When you're ready, simply click the Duplicate to Webflow button to add it to your projects. Now, the real magic of customization begins. Every element within a Webflow template is editable. Let's start with text. Click on any text block, and you can directly edit the content. Change the font family, size, color, and alignment right here in the Style panel on the right. Images are equally easy to swap. Select an image element, and in the Element Settings panel, you can upload your own images or choose from Webflow's royalty-free stock photo library to perfectly match your brand. Buttons and calls to action are crucial. Click on a button, and in the Style panel, you can easily customize its background color, text color, border radius, and even the hover effects to guide your visitors. Need to rearrange sections? The Navigator panel on the left is your best friend. It shows a clear hierarchy of all elements on the page. You can drag and drop entire sections or individual elements to reorganize your layout effortlessly. For deeper customization, explore the classes. Webflow uses a system of classes to manage styles. You can modify existing classes to apply consistent changes across multiple elements, or create new ones for unique styling. This is where you can truly make the template your own, adjusting spacing, typography, and colors with precision. And don't forget responsiveness. Webflow makes it simple to ensure your design looks fantastic on all devices. Use the breakpoint icons at the top to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and make minor adjustments to ensure a seamless user experience everywhere. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently leverage Webflow templates to craft a unique, professional online presence that truly reflects your brand.